All right, hello everyone. Andrew Van Gorden, product manager here at Kohler Company. Here to introduce the newest smart toilet we have, the Leap Smart Toilet. Comes equipped with this nice, easy to use handheld remote control. What's great about all of our smart toilets is the automatic opening and closing feature. As you walk up to it, the lid will automatically open. Simple click of the button, the seat ring opens automatically as well. As you walk away, it'll automatically close and flush behind you, not having to touch a thing in the bathroom. Now, all of our smart toilets come with an integrated bidet for instant warm water technology, adjustable spray modes, really making that routine within the bathroom the best that you could ever imagine. So using the remote, you can activate the front or the rear spray. On the back side is all your temperature and spray controls. What's great about all of our Kohler smart toilets and bidet products is they're automatically cleaned every day using UV light technology to really give it that thorough clean. And guess what? We thought ahead. There's a clean button on all of our remote controls. You can clean that product every time on demand, how often you want to. So a great feature about the Leap Smart Toilet and our full collection of smart toilets on the market now today in 2025.